Hello Pretty Geeks and welcome to a very special sort of unboxing today. I got a package today from Creative Rotisserie. So this is not sponsored, but I did get this for free for review purposes, and we're going to see if anyone in our group would also like to give it a try. So this is a cup turner. So if you don't know what a cup turner is, when cool mugs like this one here, these giant babies, are made, they are coated in epoxy, and one way to coat them evenly is using a cup turner. Now you can do it manually, and you will literally just turn the cup until the epoxy is set properly, which while some epoxies will cure pretty quickly, a lot of epoxies cure over the course of multiple hours. So you'd be looking at multiple hours of manually turning a cup. So a cup turner, like so, does the work for you. After you have painted it and decorated it and done your glitters and your alcohol inks, whatever it is that you personally do, it will continue turning the cup for you so that it can be coated evenly. So, should we open it up? I'm really excited. I actually do not have one. So my limited experience has been only in manual turning. And you can make them, but I'm not quite that technical. Shocker. And I haven't been able to kind of figure it all out, and then really at the cost of materials, it hasn't seemed as worthwhile compared to just making it. So I'm gonna get it out of here so y'all can see, okay? So inside there's a little envelope, and it has a really cute little card. So it has like your how to leave your review, how to get in contact with them if anything is wrong with it, but also some really cute art, which I'm thinking I'm gonna pop this in a frame and display it. It's so cute. I love putting little inclusions inside of there. And then also inside is a assembly set up. It's got a group and everything that's going to be in it. So we should be getting the motor, the supports, art plates, the noodles, the wands, motor with cord, motor rods, and screws with nuts. And it can either be set flat onto your table or workbench, or it can actually be screwed on. I haven't decided which one I'm going to be doing yet. So we've got a pool noodle sort of thing. We've got a little one. Here is our actual motor. She's very pretty. Look at that. It's actually a soft cover on it, which is gorgeous. It'll keep any resin that might be on your hands from gunking up your buttons, which is so great. And it is, yeah. Maybe don't actually knock that. That's like solid steel. I'm pretending that didn't hurt. Yeah, that's beautifully sturdy. It's got a good grounded outlet to it, and it looks incredibly professionally made. And we've got a large noodle. You'll want different sizes depending on the different cups that you're doing. Swim noodles are pretty popular overall. These ones are really nice. You can also use a like those miniature Nerf footballs. We've got the wand, which is usually like a PVC pipe, but you'll see this one is specialized to it. It has the same little shape on there as your disc, so it's going to fit on really smoothly, is my assumption. I'll have to actually read directions and try to figure it out. And here is the base plate. Again, it's a solid steel. There's not even any flexibility to it. That is gorgeous. Okay. and our screws and bolts inside. And that's it. A little piece of packaging. And that's all of it. So I'm gonna put it together and set it up. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, let's go do that. So this is the piece that I'm going to be coating in epoxy. It is a water bottle that is actually from the Dollar Tree originally that I transferred one of my drawings onto and painted. Alright, so I just finished setting up and I wanted to do a little test before I got it going. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll do some cool angles. I don't have the know-how or ability or whatnot to do that. So just check out how awesome this is. Seriously, just listen to this. It is so quiet and so smooth. Like, it feels so sturdy. I ended up not bolting it down because I am a train wreck and things will get moved about. So this way I can set it up right here by my printer and such and have a tray underneath it to catch any drips previously used for crystals. Alright, so this looks a little bit silly because this is just slightly too big. It's the one that came with it. So I am going to have to grab another noodle, probably. I think that's probably going to be my best bet. And see if I can chop it all to heck. I think it'll be a really good size otherwise. I think my other bottles are slightly wider in the mouth. But that's about it. But still, it is firm enough that it's holding it. Like, I let it just kind of sit and spin for a bit. And it is super heckin' sturdy. Doing really good. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to see if I can get some epoxy on it and see how she does. For y'all this evening. I just thought it worked beautifully. I absolutely adore it. I know my lighting is really weird. It's very late. So my makeup is going to be turning for a lot of hours now, and I'm gonna let her do her thing, and I will be posting pictures of it and all of my new creations on Instagram and of course in our group. So if you want to come turn it for yourself, I have a coupon code for you. You get 20% off, like save $10, which is pretty amazing already. So that will be down below, or if you're sharing this, hopefully in the comments. Otherwise, it's on YouTube. Wait, yes. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go to bed because I'm tired. Thank you so much for popping in, and I love you. Bye-bye.